Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, guys, literally, I am here in Portland. I'm saying Portland with a boatland, but down in Port Antonio. What brought me down here, is Nonsuch Fall. Guys, Nonsuch Fall. It's important to. I never been there before because I've seen the content, what people been telling me about Nonsuch Fall, which is like you hike up the mountain and then you can see the fall. Like them say it's literally a gem. Them say it's a healing water, So I'm here in Portland today to get this experience of Nonsuch Fall, So I'm here. So that is the plan, So I'm also just arrived at Sinopia, that's our Airbnb, which like if you're on a low budget and you want to use Sinopia, it's very low and budget, So I've been invited. So trust me, Portland is such a nice place, as you can see in the view. So this yard is what we're talking about, where it's all Airbnb in this yard, So these are the Airbnb rooms, them all the way around. It's like I don't know, it seems like a tenement yard with all the rooms them and everything, on this. So it's called Sinopia, I'm saying the room. So I'm gonna give you like a quick look inside my room as well and show you what it's like. So this is the place. I'm saying it's very low on budget. It's nothing that out of your wages or anything. So, but you can continue on. So it's like a community. But on this side you have the Airbnb over here. I also have Airbnb there, Airbnb down there. So the view of the yard is so nice. So nice. Trust me, can't complain. It's called Sinopia. But what I cannot wait to go and see, because I know Well, what, I took this day to say, I need to go refresh myself because of the Westmoreland trip, and I've been up and down literally. I did want it to go to the bath fountain, but just because I've been to the bath fountain many times, and then everyone was telling me about this as well too, even though I never want to enter Portland yet until I got those wheelchair and walkers, because Liquor Miss Kitchen, from Colors and all them, it asked me for a walker for elderly, but I end up here. I never got to bring the walker, because I never got the walkers yet in my position, but I made it here, so I don't know if I can show my face to this liquor if I'm passing by, but yes, but I cannot wait to go and see this fall, and for you guys to see the fall that we're literally talking about, so in Portland, so the fall is in Port Antonio, so let me show you the room that's where I'm staying, so don't mind. I'm saying it's nothing of a big budget, it's a very low budget, so you can maintain. So this is room here, room there, room here, so it's room everywhere, so let me show you what go on. So it's all room, but it's like a shared, this place is like a shared kitchen as well too, where everyone will use the same kitchen. So this will be the kitchen where everyone will use, so it's like a shared kitchen. So guys, so don't mind. So this is the room. It's very small, as I can say. It's very, 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 very small. So it's something where you can afford and budget, So that's all. You have a bathroom in here. So it's like a step down bathroom. So you see. So there's nothing out of the ordinary. It's nothing out of the ordinary. So that is it. It's nothing much, but I just like the greenery of Portland, which is the place. It's nice, very quiet, so quiet. You can hear the only thing you can hear when the wind and the tree making noise and the birds and all of that. So I'm gonna take you guys to Nonsuch Falls, which is the fall that. So let's take you guys. So here's the kitchen, just like an ordinary. Oh, what's the lizard on the ground? Look at the lizard. Remember, you're living in nature, so those things you cannot run from. You're gonna always see it in nature. So yeah. So here's also another room as well to here. Nonsuch Falls. Alright guys, so literally we just reached here at Nonsuch Falls.
Yes.
You know, Nom said it's my first time experience and I just heard about it like literally last week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have the NSF, that's Nonsuch Falls. You know, we have
Portland, Jamaica, you know?
yes, Portland 20, right?
Yes,
to be
it's
precise.
Portland, Nonsuch.
So here's one of the tour guide that we're gonna be working with today.
This is Cleveland Mink speaking. Yes, so I'm a part of the Nonsuch Falls. So I'm one of the tour guides gonna assist these guys today. So over here we have axe throwing. If you are specialized in that, if you want to.
With the axe.
Yes.
Hey, you know me always see it, but I never literally tried.
You want to take a try today?
Let me show you do it.
Alright, I'm so 100 now, but we can't get a little demonstration.
Yeah, of course. Axe throwing.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong.
So this is where the funds begin, right here.
Yeah.
You know, so see there.
You get two for yourself too.
Yeah, so I see where you have to offer then, no man.
Alright, let me try and look to the door.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready to run and fling it?
No man, I run man.
Alright then.
Alright, so one proper grip, alright?
Yeah.
If I hold it down here, so you can, I'll show you. If I hold it down here, so look what I got me.
No bands. Okay.
So what happened?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to hold it up here now. Where the grip lies, alright?
Yeah. Plant the feet.
Yes, you have to plant the feet, the strong feet as well. Like back leg, get a steady ground.
Yeah.
Then now, deep breath. It's like a range. See when you do a range. Alright, deep now.
Oh.
Alright.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're not supposed to go right down with it, you know.
So we stay up.
When we reach here, like mid here,
Yeah.
let it go.
Alright then, so hold this camera, let me try it then.
Alright.
Right, so
So?
yeah, so you're gonna see everything while I go on this one.
Yeah, man.
So you wanna go this and catch me tonight, so
Yeah.
here's my axe guys. So it's like I'm fighting those, you know, Braveheart.
Yeah, man. The
You know,
Vikings.
Vikings.
Yeah.
So basically, they say hold it from up here
Yes,
to
man.
get the grip.
You get the grip.
So one foot forward,
Yes.
like you know, plan. I put on this one.
Yes, man. Put down that one.
And you know, aim
Yes, just aim. Take a deep breath.
to the target.
Yes. No, ready now. Reach the target. Ah, that's it. One go and see I hit the perfect shot. Well, at least my coach are good.
Yeah, look at that bullseye.
Bullseye.
One go.
One go. Look at that.
No more.
All right.
Look at that guy. You see me? You don't need no more. Just one go.
You know, I tell you, man. And you know, say you're the first one me teach.
Yeah.
From I'm near.
Yeah.
And get it so just precisely.
One go.
One go.
Jeez. Guys, you see that I'm a quick learner.
All right, that is it.
I'm a sportsman as well too. You know,
Yeah.
athletics. So
All right.
come on to sports entertainment.
Yeah.
I'm ready for that. So that's why you see it work out like that.
Yes,
You know?
man.
But don't even need to throw the next one.
No, you don't have to show that one.
This, you know?
Yeah.
One go. The
So you
first
can take all
student-
the picture if you want to.
The first student.
Yeah.
One go.
One go.
Brilliant.
All right.
Give thanks.
Yes,
yeah, you
sir.
see that? One go. You don't need two, just one.
Just one.
It was one I did. Bullseye.
Bullseye.
What a student. So what I achieve now as the best student so
Well,
far.
gonna give you a special tour again.
Yeah.
All right. Go up top now, the assembly area.
Yeah. Alright then, so let me just put on my swim shoes. Guys, you see that? They don't play with me. Very let it one go. Whew. Let me just stop into the Braveheart, you know?
Yes, man.
The Vikings days.
Vikings,
When
yeah.
Scotland versus England. You know, that's what top team right there. So Scotland
Alright.
versus
Go
England.
up top, but change and meet up back in the thing.
Yeah. Alright then. So
When you want to get to me, you don't can call me Ming or size 6, whatever you prefer.
Ming are size 6.
Yeah, anyone will suitable.
Right up to that grey building there.
Yeah.
Alright then. You know what I forgot? Because you know them say mosquito and such thing, I forgot to bring my tall sleeve. My tall black sleeve. Only if I did remember you know. So it's gonna be a lovely experience. It's 45 minutes of hiking going down, you know. So them say we're gonna stop on the way also. So yeah. One go. Whoa. That was a good show, right? You guys must say, yeah, okay, you know. I say, yeah, bad. You know? Yes, man. Yes, guys, I'm on this solo trip, you know. Solo. Tapping in. Tap in. So, let's do this. So, let me get changed and get ready for the road. Peace. Guess what? Look, I just find a tall sleeve in my vehicle. This been in the vehicle from Cranberry them. You know, so it's good thing I got a towel sleeve here. So yes, I'm good. I got a towel sleeve because them say mosquito and them things. So I got a towel sleeve for that. Ta-da! Give thanks. Still smell fresh. None. Hit the Nonsuch Falls. Hey, I am telling you, this walking up the hill, today I'm in for it. We're at the top, so to walk go down the hill and then to come back. Hey, today I'm in for it. Look at the view. Same says 45 minutes down to where the fall is. Wow.
Alright, you made it.
Wow. Look at this view. So guys, so look at this view. So basically we're still not at the top. So 50 minutes to the top, 45 minutes down. So you know, I wish top that. So excuse me, where's the top?
The top?
Yeah.
It would be directly down there. He'll show it to you, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, he'll show it to you.
So that 50 minutes there?
That's depending on your pace.
Okay.
I get there in 10.
In 10. Oh, you?
Yeah.
So you get there in 10?
Yes. To the top in 10.
To the top in 10?
Yeah.
And to the bottom?
Maybe about 15, 20 minutes depending on if I don't stop.
So you go on?
Yeah, I can do it here.
All alive, so. So guys, not because she can do it, that's why me I gotta try it. Me now can't do it that quick. Not at all.
I've been doing it here
Long time.
Yeah.
So well. Let's see if we can get there in 5 minutes and then 10 minutes to the bottom. See if we can set a new record.
That's a stretch, but
It's a stretch, right?
yes, yes.
Cause I just set a new record in the axe showing down there, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so he's waiting for you, and Cleve is waiting for you.
Okay, let's go down there. Alright then. Yeah.
Important to stay hydrated.
Yeah. So guys, if it's first hiking, I'm drinking the Yaya Never Tired Roots. Yeah? This is the Yaya Never Tired Roots for this hiking. A boots up. Yeah. Yeah, I got one already. Boots up.
Alright, today I can stick them over there.
Oh, you need stick too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, now say. Alright, good. Get the Moses rod, please.
You know, see one part of the Red Sea.
Yeah, go part of the Red Sea. So, Moses rod. So you don't need any?
No, no.
So why me need any? Me don't need any.
No, man, you're gonna need it, man. Come, ready?
How you now say?
Yes, sir. So we have to go to Zion, you know.
No, I'm gonna make it work with my pace. Can't make you leave. We're gonna show off.
Alright, just walk in the middle of them, alright? So they make a slip to my time.
I can't believe me I walk with stick. You know, I don't need stick. I'm going down to the end, not the bottom.
Alright, now rephrase that.
Rephrase that.
Down to the end.
Yes, the end. Oh, you know. They were like, why? Yeah, so CCTV around here. So how much years now you been doing this?
Yes.
Yeah.
1 month now.
Oh, 1 month.
Yeah, I just come in, you know.
You just come in.
Fresh, you know.
Fresh.
But you can start the right side.
We live up these sides.
Yes, man, you live up this side.
So you're already used to the hills already.
Yes, I do used to the hills, you know. Alright, you know. So I'm not seeing none of dove them today. How them do the fun? No dove, no bad plate, no picking, how them know?
The easiest part of the hill is going down.
You certain?
And the hardest part is coming up.
Alright, you want to stick a bet? Yeah, them thing, you know. John Kirby, tree there. You see? A tree right there, man.
Yeah. What's happened to it?
Which one? Man, John Kirby them.
Oh, John Bean.
Yeah.
Oh, the red and black.
Yes, man. See it now? Yes, man. So we are touching in a Zalani.
Oh, that's one of the camera right there.
Yeah, on a motion sensor there. But you're not going to hear it, you know, still, you know. You're not going to go out right now. But it has shape.
Girls on a rape.
That's right.
Not that tape.
Yeah, man, it's a tape, man.
You're on the right thing. It's right now. Oh, see, look a bird there now. I like one I white thing above them there. You see? Yeah.
The man white thing dog.
You them fly gone.
Fly gone so far.
Lightning gale.
Ring tail. Alright. You take a record?
Yes, I.
Alright. That's so bad.
So this are the 45 minutes down?
Yeah, the journey I have done fun.
Okay.
So the head up on the left. And then I load it on the right, you know? See him well.
I'll go down. I'm telling you, I don't know about you, but I know about me.
Alright.
Easy to go down and to come up. That is it.
So it's like one of the decline advance and one of the what now? Incline advance.
Yeah.
Or disadvantage and advance.
Nonsuch.
So the head over here, so on the left.
That's the head of the fall, right?
Yes, the head of the fall. You want to see it when they're coming up back?
Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem. You want to come on the other journey first, done?
Yeah.
I let the easy one to that.
Yes. Sir. Ah. Rolling through the forest.
Yeah, we go to Zion.
Going through Zion.
Yes.
What kind of shelter that over there? Bro?
This storeroom.
Storeroom.
Yeah, they have to put down some fuel coming up to the fire pit.
Yeah.
And like a generator and so forth, we put in there.
Oh, okay.
And when I pick up and look at camp here,
Yeah.
they want the camp out down here.
That one name?
So when I see them fern them, man.
Oh. What is fern good for?
Well, this one is good for many things, you know. Depends on what you have. Depends.
Just take on the road.
Yeah, man, see the bird, them a go out and thing. Low them sleep, you know.
Nonsuch.
man, Nonsuch.
So this tree is called the canopy tree.
Yes, it's the next checkpoint.
Okay.
Next checkpoint, so you know, you only reach half the mile, you know?
See this tree a lot in Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Alright, so we saw me get a little glimpse of the falls right here on the left going down.
Yeah, I can hear it. Look, we're in the forest. We're in the forest.
Yes,
Yeah, for balance go down. The tricky part. I don't need it, man. Me good.
alright.
Me govern.
So like we have to go alright, you know.
Yeah, man.
We have good look at our dry now. Our dry. You have more.
Maybe if me have my virgin there when I'm 30 grand.
Yeah, 30 grand.
Yeah, man. The man wanna run for job.
Ah, sir. What a style now.
Yeah. Yeah. But it makes sense, you know, because that's so slippery.
Yes, it's looking bad.
Not sure.
Anytime rain fall, I can't walk.
These are the slipper stones.
Yes, it. Hold on.
Hold on there.
So if I think if you need a foot. Yeah, no, what do you call it now?
Yeah. A drop, yeah, a drop.
No, I'm not drop just a scale.
Yeah, I drop the other drop star.
What that call it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look like trying to put your hand and so.
Yeah. When say I drop, my drop a skate, him a skate.
Yeah, man, I know it's cold, but
All the water shoes at the bottom of this smooth, you know. So you have to bend the knees.
yeah.
Bend the knees.
Acrobatics, you know? When I do the squats them, I know the time most of them are going to start scream fail.
Good.
What time, alright? This is how they believe me. You believe me, sir? I come up this far, this journey. 10 times up and 10 times down in one day.
I believe you. 10 times up
10 times down.
and 10 times. I believe you.
Alright, and the group over there still, you know. 50 people come first, you know.
One time,
One time, you know.
50 down.
Alright, I remember so I held down it, you
Yeah.
know.
So that means you have to pretty walking very slow.
But now, man, they let them strong.
Yeah.
Some of them strong, man. I tell you, because them do them 5K run. And I say, yes.
So how often rain fall up these sides?
Well, you know, this is Portland, you know.
So always falling.
Yeah, so like how today now, you get a look nice, lucky time, by probably by a healing.
Yeah.
If the rain say, well, time for wake up the land. So we have to do some crab walk and a clip walk, you know. But is it? Yeah, man.
Find the grooves.
Yeah, man, we find the groove. Alright, I hear some more skills apply. No guide.
No guide.
Dog, you know. That's what get
Rope done.
done.
Yo, right there so it's very tricky. Because it's muddy. But I will find the gap. Oh,
Alright, let's take our time.
that is that.
Now it's dry. The mud still wet.
That's not dry. We are talking about dry. That's not dry. No, that's not dry.
No, man, not that dry, but not too wet neither.
Well, it's slippery though.
Yeah, man, it's wet. Naturally, I'm not drop like that.
That me see you are doing, because if you are the professional and you are skate, so.
Yeah.
Rock there. Rock there.
Alright.
Find the gap there. That there. That there.
That here.
Yeah, I wonder how my skills are though.
No, man, long time ago, your skill, man. You teach in our class.
Alright. Alright.
One go. Hold on, we're going on back. Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Go on, man, go on.
So in our class, you can't go on here.
Can't go on. One throw student, you know.
Yeah, man, one shot.
One throw.
Target.
Bullseye.
Yeah, man, I went to go back now. So I need to try it.
Yeah. You have to go put that up in the up at the entrance.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, with a plaque.
I
Send.
change the board them too.
So welcome Kina with him one shot. First student.
Who are student again, Kino?
Yeah, life in Jamaica.
Alright. Now, so can hold on pan in tree and ask them veil going to do no tired,
Yes, I.
Yes, my dear, no. You believe it?
Of course, I believe in nature.
Alright. Shut the door.
And say, oh, shut up the break. Yeah.
You guys want another view I fall in.
Yeah. Show me and show you some could have dance through the rocks them, you know. Yes, sir. Yes, man, it's a moonwalk, me a moonwalk, I show you, say, yo. Jackson, I'm a family, you know.
Jackson, your family?
Yeah.
You have a clip walk.
Yeah, me I tell you, man. Cloud walk.
Soon buck up on some cars and we up, you know.
Swing, we swing, because we used to the jungle.
But that one I kind of fine. You're supposed to be real deal, man.
So swing then, I'm see what I go on.
No, man, I'm not swing on this, man. This can't hold my weight. Alright, just come down and show you what I tell you about the fall.
Yeah.
You like how you were tired now?
Mm-hmm.
Not too hard to you know.
Go on through, man. We go over, man. Go over, man.
Alright, stop right there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Put up your camera and see what I go on. You see what I go on up there?
Okay.
Alright, what
See what I'm talking about.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I just want to peace again. Alright, everybody see what I go on?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
That I go on, pan, what I go on.
Yes, man, come in.
It's not on the spot media.
Yeah, man. See all the bush now? So like how you probably go in the water.
Mm-hmm.
And you say you feel like you have some bad cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is the bush thing.
Right name? What's the name of that bush?
How the bush name again?
Wait there, man. What go on? You forgot?
Yeah, man, time out of time.
That's why you should have known. You know, it's not a crime.
You know, do the crime. Mount a bush in my brain, I say, alright.
You don't want to tell a lie.
You don't want to tell no lie and tell the wrong thing.
Mm-hmm.
You know the name the your tongue, but you say, oh, can't come out. Probably me reach on the flat, you know, and I say, oh. You know what I said that name, don't you?
Yeah.
Where you talk about again? I say, man, I see about somebody that tell about coal, man. I'm not quite.
This reminds me of a youth. I'm at Westmoreland. And we got a bush.
I chat through the river them and go through the bush and chop through camp here.
Bush we are going to the bush we are going to them type of
Alright, yes you want
Callaloo bush.
I told me about our knee. You don't want to look more easy, you know? Anyway, you take on a journey, so like you have some company down
Yeah, like we get close to them.
Yeah.
Is that reach?
Almost.
It's
Must be how quick we are here. You don't have to check the time.
less than the 45 I want to say.
Yeah.
You probably take the 45 to go up.
Well, no problem. Probably less than that.
To go up.
Probably less than that.
Well, me never tired roads, you know.
Like you never tired road?
Yeah.
We not say Baba road?
Baba, and a Baba roads are one of the never tired.
Oh, never tired.
Yeah.
Alright.
Manufactured from, yeah, originally from Trenchtown this roads come from. Yes.
Everything in one of that.
Alright. Keep you moving.
Alright. You don't know the thing where you still have to eat up your vegetable and thing to balance out.
Of course. Inevitable.
Alright. What's that style now? Look like slide the ground. One thing at all.
Sliding go on. Some moonwalk it go on, man. Alright, go on. Don't block up the traffic.
No, block traffic. Lego road.
Yeah, man, Lego the road.
Never you been down to them. Yeah.
Lego the road.
Alright. Go on with the road. Like how you tired, you can step back and come down, you know.
Good right there, so.
Alright.
Like me have a teacher for work, you know. You know so I go on.
Everybody a teach, you know.
Wow.
And it's good because you get more preference, you know, so alright, just stable, you know.
Yeah.
Now when we tell us, you can walk here, so yes, so. It's not good for you, push for you want to walk, you know.
Yeah. You want to learn as good. These things you have to always bend your knee.
Yeah, man. I tell you, I put you in the squats.
Yeah. No sun.
Yeah, man. It's like when you come down, see a part, you know.
Steep.
Stick to the rock, then you want to to the side.
Yeah.
Hold on for the tree, then, you know.
Rifle walk.
Yeah, I say I deal with it.
Fun.
Alright, what you walk now? Anytime you're ready.
Alright, watch how walk now. See it there. I eat that.
I eat that.
Eat that.
Alright, this is the watch you walk now too.
Alright.
Alright,
Watch her now.
walk.
See how.
I want to name caution.
Crime scene. It a tape?
Yeah, man.
None such no rape.
No time.
Yee.
Move up the rock now.
Yeah.
Here, can go through.
Oh. No traffic, no traffic, no traffic, no traffic.
And I 4x4 them, you know?
Yeah, no traffic.
Go on with the road, go on with the road. I want to charge you. Go on now. Live and direct now. Live and direct. Our squad.
Our squad and our squad.
I know one side to the land side, but nobody knows slide to the left. So, I need a tour guide. Go by the name Ty. Nah, Ty is still in, but you don't know.
Which one?
He might have the tour around him.
Okay.
So, alright guys, so I'm going to enjoy myself. Alright, today I just pop up that pipe, you know.
Yeah, man, the best tour, eh?
Yeah, man. I want to lock them in a nature lock, you know.
Yeah.
Come back and everything and you're good to go in a boring.
Yeah.
Right, that's why I don't know, you got to change up and this. Alright. Yeah, man, stop with that chat, you want to come down.
Yeah.
Water come down, you can't mind to call and go through water too. Adventure time here, so I go on, it's a tape.
It's a tape, you know. It's a tape. Never real.
Yeah.
What, through the water?
Yeah, that's where the fun is.
Yeah.
Alright, you're here for yourself. You never show them how I go on, man.
Yeah.
So we're going to approach the bonus section.
You go right through it, go up. Up. Yeah, up where you go. At first it look hard, you know. But when you take a one step you feel the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Calm.
it's cold first, you know. You're hot now. You eat your water, you know, like them hot steam, you hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell you, man. So you can't go to water, you go to home, you know, come out.
Yeah.
Ask them, you know.
Nice. Wanna what? Barefoot?
Yeah, so we're going to leave the sticks.
Yeah.
Take off the shoe. Yeah, a sun shoes. That's a sun shoes. So you need to take off that.
Yeah, so.
Go to home and make sure you prep up, you know. This side door, it's like where you have
Black, yeah. Yeah.
go to home.
Beauty. Alright. So we'll leave our bags in here as well?
Yeah, man, you're good, man. Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Oh. Can we come back this direction, right?
This direction,
Okay.
no boy can play with it. Man, so you can't take off the slippers, you know.
No, I'm saying it's alright, we can leave it right here. So we'll
Right here, so man, it's my thing, then.
yeah, we're coming back this direction
It's
and
my thing, then.
walking through the water. Up to the fall.
Yeah, man, I go up to the falls, you know.
Wait, see the bag here? Alright guys, so here we are. We're like, wow, we're rich. So this is the beauty after all. So now we're gonna go all the way through there to go to the fall itself. All the way. So this is the bottom. You know. No, sorry, no bottom. This is the end. No, I'm saying the end. This is the end. Yeah. We make sure we correct myself. We just reached to the end of the fall, the hill, so we're gonna go up now, you know. So this is where the mission definitely got. So you know the thing goes there already. So Nonsuch Falls. Whoa! After all. And the water feel cold as well too. So guys, when they're making this trip, link here for the never tired roots. You see the lion on it, roar. You know? Never tired roots, so more power up. Ready. But the journey not start yet. The journey is when I'm going back up the hill. You know? So yes. Finally. So let's go now.
Yes, so ready now?
Ready now.
Alright, that is it.
That is it.
Alright, I'm coming now. I look like a little rough life, you know. Alright, now what do you want to do? You want to take it away? I don't want to take it away. Now I see right through here then. I don't want to come back away.
So where next one there? Roll with caution. Okay, hold it to me there. Hold it, please. Don't go that way, yeah. Eh? Oh, but...
Yeah man, so we are going around here now. Water cool. Water coming in the room. I wonder if they must see boat none of the video.
Not this one.
Alright.
Not this one.
Up the way up, down.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Yes, we got back here and then thing there. Water will eat out it. See there?
Yeah. Go on.
Alright, see that no problem. Alright, no problem. I want to be here.
Yeah.
Alright, come in. Up. Come in now, father. Let's go to the camera.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, silly. No. Let me fix it for you. Sit. Nah, silly.
Alright, yeah man, now we are here.
No, yeah, silly.
Come on, step up on the foot.
Alright, go on.
Yeah man, that's it man.
What?
What you say, madam? Alright, hold on, panda.
Yeah. They said the stick go lick your pitney.
Yeah. Alright.
But what you do? You clean off the rocks them.
Yeah, we clean them off. But there's some of them to clean too.
So that's why I now feel the slippery. Oh, so them clean the rocks then.
Alright, come in, man. Look like a part. You like in love with the rock and you like you want to picture yourself. That was spot. See that spot right over there? Only one step to that to take it. I'm watching no stone in the water now. Ready?
Yes, sir. Go on now.
Yeah, I walk Upper Zion now.
Yes, sir. Upper Zion.
Yeah, man, Upper Zion.
Meet up with the lion there, you know.
Yeah, I know you want to take a photo right here, sir. I want to shot a video. Tell him to walk on water like Peter.
Alright, good.
Yeah, man, you're not bold and walk, you know. Yeah, man, it's the whole heap of thing up here now.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, man, so another part. The whole heap of pretty part.
Yeah.
If you ain't, like I say, I'm on nature now. If you look up grove now. Yeah, man. You have to come down here. Probably a little more. And chop all them lag them tough.
Oh, they lag them.
Yeah, because I see them drop down from the hurricane now.
Oh.
My corner them.
Yeah.
They want to hide. But enough time to come now. You can get some find some lag some place. I say, oh, I never see that one here. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, come in. Come on, just step up boat, look. Want a picture on this or something?
Blue. To fall long? No, it not fall.
No, no, drop.
Good man.
Alright, come in.
Yeah. Alright, I'm take from the east.
Yeah, I always guess where I always go so and some come so.
Okay.
So I just play a preference.
Yeah.
Come on, just step on that screen and come over now.
Alright, got you.
Alright, let's step here. I want them secret body. What?
Yeah. Guys, look how far down we are. We are down. We going down, baby, down, baby. Watch where I go on. They watch all my alone themselves. Wow!
Yeah.
What a hole!
What a hole!
Look up and see how far it's coming from. And say, wow! What a hole! You know how far we're coming from? Literally to where we are now. Trust me. Alright, so we show you this is the way I'm walking. It look like at the Atlantis this.
Yeah, I say I call it Aquaman thing.
Aquaman thing.
Alright.
Why this built up like a little podium so? Look at this.
Ready to perform.
Yeah. And I know this
So I want back here.
it's like a little podium.
Yes, man. Anytime you're ready. I look at landslide, go and look like no.
And that's landslide, right?
Stop right there.
Coming up.
Ready to journey. Yeah, no journey. When you look up, you can see. See it, Nonsuch Falls, huh?
Oh, there's a little hole that over there, sir?
Yeah, you ready to go down, see it. It's not that big.
Oh, no. Surroundings look like they're under the water,
Yeah.
under sea.
Don't get the bars and in time. Alright.
Yeah, because the fall look like a pee-pee to pee-pee.
Yeah, guys, till I can work off for rain.
Oh,
So when the rain fall, now it does a shower down, you know?
okay.
But like when the rain fall, let it beat that road.
Smart.
Go and cool and to go and go and easy back, you know?
Okay, so basically that's the fall there, you know, but not enough rain, so it's not really too pouring down,
Yeah.
you know.
So we're going to go up further more to get a better view.
Yeah,
Alright, so we are coming here now, no?
yeah. Why these things look like some steps to go somewhere, you see?
Yeah. Anyway, you want to go that way.
This look like some steps, like something else did down here way back in them days.
tell you.
You never think of that?
Yeah, no plan.
The way all the set like something you see there around here.
Alright, let's take your time. Take your time, step here. Who ready?
Oh,
Take your time. Alright, come this way now. Yeah man, you're supposed to step them.
mm-hmm.
Yeah man, I step them in the now. Alright, see like how you tall now. Just remember to bend down your head and at this tree. Then I look it up. Under there.
Why for that?
Careful now man.
Why for that? No, lick it up. Twins have twins one. Here you. What? No, no.
Slide down there.
No. Why again? Why again? Now up to this man. What kind of tour guide this man? Tell this man said no, lick it up, no matter about my slide down there.
Alright, I'll cut out the phone. Cut out the phone. Just a pass through.
Yeah, pass. Yes, yeah, pass through. Why, yeah. Why, yeah, the one. Yeah.
Alright. You are going?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh, flashing I know.
Oh.
I start to get my tell me say. Someone tell me say 2 inch short, you know. About 10 feet that you not charging.
Yeah.
It's like you know, that will be like 5 feet. You jump up and swim go over there, but it's right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man.
So.
And water low, you know.
Yeah.
And normally the weight is up.
Oh, it's up here, so.
Yeah, normally the weight is up. But it's all in farming, you know. Yeah. But what they try photo shoot spot, you know. And what they say to them, make a nice step up platform up here.
Yeah.
And what they say, you want to go under the fall, you need to water beach out, look for back pain from what in days ago, or years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And right over there, you know.
Well, after the blue and nice. I will catch you never plan to swim.
Alright, me okay.
Come in swim right through, right cross, right under, right over. Yeah. Mm-mm. Jaja. Yeah. Yeah. Jaja. Guys, I feel like I want to chuck off. No. Any more time, it's not my mind, so just jump off. Just jump off. Oh man, next time. Boy, I really do want to swim, but me not swim. You know? Yes. Not today. Not today. Because listen guys, literally I just done my ears. So I'm gonna say yo, not yet. Not yet. Mm-hmm. There's a jungle. There's jungle underneath that. Right underneath this leaf. There is he. Ooh, gone. Guys, you know what amazed me is the way all this rock, all these, like it's pure steps. You know, cause if you look the way this is, that's what I mean. I say, it looks so weird. You know, Look on it. It's pure steps. Like step up one, step up. So it's pure steps going up. Like there was something here way back in them days. Why does it look like this? And they are step up, step up. So look, step up, step up, step up. And you continue, step up. Same way along the line. Like look on this. You know? This is such amazing, you know? Such amazing. Such. It's a tape. What go on? Yeah, man. All the pumpkin one too. That's why we say we are come do that. Yeah, of course. For sure. For sure. For guys, I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but for sure there's something was going on, you know, because the way it is set up, you know, the way there's Atlantis also. Just look, let me step up more, look, more, like it was pure steps. Look, it's pure steps. This is really pure steps. This builds a way, like literally, like, you know, when I watch those movies and watching those castle in steps, cause this does build too neat for this to stay like this for nature. Nah, this is too neat. This is just too neat. And right over there where you got literally the pavement, you know, so it looks like a step down, and then down here was a level part where the pavement is right there. So something into something. Something literally into something. Look. Something into something. So this is Nonsuch Falls, you know, in Portland. Hidden gem, you know. This is one of the gems them, trust me. One of the gem, and I'm bringing this. So guys, if you ever been here before, you know, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you ever been here. You know, well, trust me, this is a lovely experience. So I would definitely come back, you know, definitely come back. For sure. For sure, I will definitely come back. So it's time for me to go back up now. So yeah, roots. That's what's gonna take me back up the hill. You know, this is what's gonna take me back up the hill right now, and I will tell you how it went. Because trust me, it's gonna be a mission going up. You know, but I can't make you guys see that part then, because I have to got both hands going up. Because trust me, 45 minutes down, so imagine how long it's going to take for me to get up there. But I'm going to make it. I am going to make it for sure. So Nonsuch Falls. Such fall.
Yeah.
Finally,
arrived.
finally, I've reached the top.
Yeah.
You know, like in Home Alone, man say, yo, finally, we have reached the top.
Yeah.
The next thing is, we are still up.
Yeah, man.
You know, so it was a good exercise. I'm telling you about, never tired.
Yeah.
Can't tired. You know?
Run the boss, run and come up.
Alright, run up the hill.
Yeah, man.
Some slide go down and run come up.
Careful, now, man.
Moon walk down.
Crip walk.
And them just run come up with it.
Yeah,
Never
man.
tired.
Never tired.
100% herbal drink.
Alright, make them know.
Yeah, I say that. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and see the man himself, man, the tour
man.
guide. So,
man.
see the face there.
Yeah, you
Tell
know.
me the name again.
One Cleveland, me, you know. But you know, when you forward, just call me as me. I'm well known size 6, you know.
Yeah.
I me said one, man.
Cause size 6 in where, you know.
Yeah.
That's right.
Right, you know, I'm going to some new gear, you know. I'll get one look more.
Yeah. So when you come up here, man, Nonsuch Falls.
Yeah.
You know, so nothing such like this fall.
Yeah, man, you know it's something go.
Yeah.
So when you father now, fire go up on the riverside.
Yeah.
Cook out, I go and see, you know, next time when you tune in on the channel and reach back on Nonsuch Falls, you go see what I go on.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You know, you think, man.
So just make the date and don't be late.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright, everything, you know, you go. Make the date and don't be late. See the Nonsuch Falls. See it here again. Them say Nonsuch Falls.
Yeah, man.
They say, you know, say nothing such, you better not fall. You know? Trust me, when you drop after all, worth it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's why there, man. One code, you know.
Yeah, man. One code. I would not talk about no sort code for your bank card or no area code. No. And for the false code.
Yeah, man, I false code.
Yeah, man, once you come here, man, you know.
Yeah, man, just tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
Yeah, to meet up.
So you can Google it, Nonsuch Falls.
Yeah, man, GPS and find us.
Yeah. So for the first time knowing about this, you know, it's a time for you to visit, you know. Once you have the time, come here. Come get the experience. Trust me.
Yeah,
man. Once you're in Port Antonio.
Yeah, man, you will get it, man.
Yeah, man, 'cause it's not far from where we stay, you know. 20 minutes drive.
Yeah.
Trust me. No traffic to get here. I have to wonder if anybody around here, you know.
Yeah,
Call me and drive me now and say, no vehicle.
Yeah, man, but taxi them on the road still, you know, but it's like to them out to the kind of slow for them.
Yeah.
Thing, you know.
Okay. Them are the best thing now for deal with our pattern around the boat, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. The Premento.
Yeah, man.
So Flamingo. So guys, you know the thing already, so we're there, you know. So we're gonna head down to get something to eat now. You know, that's what I'm gonna do, head to get something to eat and go and chill out till I'm ready to move out, you know. So still have a little time left. You know, still got a little time before I move, so you know the thing go. Peace. Boston. Alright guys, so after finish with the hiking at Nonsuch Falls, you know, on my way to get some food at Boston Jerk. So now I just stopped off at Boston Beach, you know, to see what it's like. Because I already ordered the food, it's gonna take like an hour. Big fish, yeah, I spoiled myself from big fish. You know, so now I'm just gonna see what the beach is like, or Boston Beach, Antonio. Oh, blue, nice. Right. Leave the slippers. Good. Oh, so. This is Boston Beach. Nice. So it's pretty small, you know. It's small, very small. It's from right there to right there. It's a very small beach, you know, You can see it's privatized as well too. This is all privatized. Whenever you see the rope, you know that means it's privatized beach, private beach. That's the rope there. You know, so it's not much. It's not much at all. So I'm just gonna chill here for a minute and wait till my food is ready. Rastaman, the surfing lesson. Alright guys, so see me here now on big jerk shark. So this is a jerk, big jerk shark. Don't watch the looks, you know it goes. Looking on the belly.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.